Chances are you've been around for a while and you've seen the rise of DVDs. These digital versatile discs were crazy popular at one point. I may be going sentimental here, but I remember when DVDs were everywhere. Hi everyone, it's Baron here. I used to spend a lot of time watching my favorite movies on DVDs. I even used to store my own videos, photos and music. Now that most computers and laptops don't come with DVD drives, it's time to find ways to safely store our beloved disc of a bygone era. DVDs are fragile and they will degrade in time. So, here are 5 ways to store your DVDs. Well, actually 4 ways to store them and 1 excellent method to archive your DVDs. Watch to the end to find out. Idea number 1. Store in binders. Looks smart, but is this the most cost-effective way? Protect your precious DVDs by keeping them in DVD slips and storing them away in a container. Idea 2. Keep your DVD disc in DVD slips. This looks like a lot of work for when I want to find a movie disc. Wait for it. Idea number 3. Build a DVD shelving unit. Now this looks like a project for a weekend. Or even 2. And it's just too bad you can't put all of this on your phone. Idea number 4. DVD organizer. Now this is something that's more space efficient. But are your beloved discs really safe? And if you have tons of DVDs like me, this is no longer a space efficient option. Which brings us to our favorite DVD storing idea. Use UniConverter to convert your DVDs to a digital format and keep them in a portable hard disk. Better still, store your precious movies in the cloud and play them back on your mobile device. Now that's what I call a legit idea. So, how do we begin this awesome process to transform our DVD disc into digital? Download and install UniConverter from Wondershare and follow these 3 quick and easy steps. That's like 1, 2, 3 and you're DV done. Select a disc and insert your DVD into your computer. UniConverter will automatically detect and load the files from your disc. It will neatly present all your movies with its friendly user interface. Each movie on your disc has multiple options to let you extract and compress your movies. In general, there's no need to tweak the settings. You may want to choose a subtitle track or your preferred language if available. For most of us, the default settings work great. Over here, your files are all set to be converted into computer and mobile-friendly files. Choose Convert to convert one episode or file. Choose Start All to convert the entire contents of your DVD. To play back your new digital movie files, click on the folder icon to show where UniConverter has stored your files. And check it out! There's no quality loss. Any video file that's been UniConverted has the same quality as the original. It's a happy day when you can play all your movie files without a disc and even watch them on your phone. If this video has helped you, do subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Happy uni converting, and I'll see you in the next episode.